Okay, this is how you do this. So for 15, you're gonna distribute, and so 6 and 3 is 18, and then 6 and 4i is 24i, and that's a negative, and then 7i and 3 is 21i, and it's a positive, and then 7i and negative 4 is negative 28i, and then if you combine them, it can turn, and oh yeah, and then 28i, because there's two i's, it's to the power of 2, and if you combine them, you can get, it can turn into, so you do this one and this one, because the square, the I square goes away because there's two, and so it's just 18 and 28, and so it's 46, and then you combine negative 24 and positive 21, and so it gets to negative 3i. And then for the second one, it's kind of, so because of this right here, this 2, you can turn this into 5ab cubed, and that's what you can do since there's the 2. And then for for 25, what you need to do is split this, and you get, for this side you can do x and then 2y plus 5, and then for this side you can turn that into negative 6 2y plus 5, and then what you need to do is make them be into these two parentheses, and so this from here gets to 2y, and then it's plus 5, and then this from here is x minus 6. And then for this last one, 27, what you can do is you need to subtract 28 from both sides, and that will give you 7x to the power of 3 minus 28 equals, 28x equals 0. And then that can turn into 7x, and then in parentheses, x squared minus 4 equals 0, because that can get there. And then for the last one, you can do 7x, x plus 2, and then x minus 2 equals 0. And so the answer is x equals 0 or negative or positive 2.